If we talk about another most discussed thing in being जब therapy लेने की बात आती है is the childhood traumas that people take even after taking multiple sessions or stuff. कभी कभी वो भी चीजें नहीं जाती हैं. So what is like the prime reason or do you feel कि वो fixable है नहीं है?
See, childhood traumas lead to us developing certain behavior patterns. हमारा एक function करने का तरीका हो जाता है. Now, if a child is coming from a dysfunctional household, for example, where the parents are fighting a lot, so what usually happens is if that child is a fixer, if they want to be that person who's trying to maintain peace in the household, you will try to diffuse situations, you'll try to be that middle ground for the parents. And आगे जाके what happens in your adult life is that it develops a lot of emotional insecurity in such an individual because आप conflict से घबराना शुरू हो जाते हो, which are a very innate part of anybody growing up. So it develops a lot of emotional insecurity. It makes you feel very troubled if anybody is fighting. So it can have a long lasting impact if you have gone through something, but it's important to overcome it also in your own way. If I talk more about childhood trauma, क्या होता है जब हम बड़े होते हैं, पेरेंट्स कभी कभी बच्चों को बहुत नैग करते हैं कि तुम ये चीज अच्छे से नहीं करते, तुम पढ़ाई ढंग से नहीं कर रहे, या फिर कंपेयर करते हैं, बहुत कंपैरिजन होता है कि देखो योर कजिन इज डूइंग सो वेल, उसके इतने अच्छे मार्क्स है, तुम्हारे क्यों नहीं आए. या फिर कभी कभी पेरेंट्स दे withhold love, which is कि if two parents are fighting, if your parents are fighting, they blame the child कि देखो because of you this is happening, and they don't show affection to the child. So a lot of things can lead to formation of trauma in that sense.
Okay. So and like पर क्या 100% of the things fix नहीं हो पाती हैं इस cases में, या हो जाती हैं with taking therapy and stuff?
See, it's about unlearning and relearning things, right?
Being unlearning is the most difficult.
Yeah. And it needs constant reinforcement. You need to constantly try to do things differently. Try to do things in a way जो आपका innately नहीं आती है आपसे. So time लगता है, but ऐसा नहीं है कि reversible नहीं है. You can start doing things a little differently in life, right? If you, for example, been living a very unhealthy life throughout, if you start adopting a more healthy lifestyle, it takes time, effort, it takes a change in your thought and behavior pattern, but it can happen. So, therapy can resolve a lot of things, but you need to be patient with it because not every session will be that aha moment कि मुझे सब समझ आ गया, I figured everything out. It takes time.